Keep your kitchen and bathroom organized with the HomeZone Living 4-tier extension pole rack. The rack features an adjustable extension pole for a custom fit, and installation is simple with no drilling required. Whether you're storing toiletries, kitchen supplies, or cleaning products, this rack is designed for easy setup and long-lasting use. Before you begin, let's take all the components out of the box. Ensure you have all parts in the manual and follow the instructions to securely assemble and position the rack in your desired space. Step 1. Take the crossbar, E, and connect it to the bottom poles, A, with the provided mounting screws, K. The crossbar can be secured to either the upper or lower holes, depending on the height of the toilet. Step 2. Connect poles, B and C, to the bottom poles, A. Step 3. Let's assemble the shelf. Take the edge pieces, G, and connect to the shelf piece, F, with the provided mounting screws, H. You can repeat the same process for the rest of the shelves. Step 4. Lay the rack poles horizontally and slide on the shelves. Once the shelf is on the rack poles, lock each side so the shelf does not slide up or down. You may need another person to help you with standing up the tension poles and setting the position of the shelves. Step 5. Attach the top poles D with the locking couplers L to the poles. Then, attach the top feet M with the grip tape N. This will ensure a firm grip on the ceiling and avoid any slippage when the poles are extended. Make sure you lock the couplers to ensure a sturdy hold from floor to ceiling. With a sleek design and sturdy construction, the HomeZone Living 4-tier extension pole rack is the perfect solution to keep your space tidy and clutter-free. Enjoy the added convenience and organization it brings to your home. Living made simple. HomeZone Living.